OKX Wallet is working fine in Nigeria. Yes, OKX Wallet is working in Nigeria. The fact that OKX Exchange is not supported in Nigeria does not mean that OKX Wallet is not supported in Nigeria, because OKX Wallet and OKX Exchange are two different things. OKX Wallet is a EVM-compatible wallet application, while OKX Exchange is a centralized exchange where you can buy and sell, while OKX Wallet is a decentralized application whereby it is everywhere you go, and right now it is still working fine in Nigeria. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create one for yourself. With this, you can start using OKX Wallet for any non-custodial wallet activities, just like what you use your MetaMask for, Trust Wallet, Bitget Wallet, and Bybit Wallet. This is Web3 space and it is everywhere you go. So let me show you how you can create OKX Wallet. What you have to do is go to your Google Play Store, then search for OKX. To get OKX Exchange or wallet, this is what you have to do. Go to your Google Play Store, search for OKX, and then you see this particular OKX. Just download it. I have already downloaded it. Then I will click on open. It will open OKX application for you, and what you will see when you first open is this exchange interface where it will require you to sign up. Once you click on sign up, this will not allow you to sign up as a Nigerian, and even if you sign up, it is useless as at this moment. But this is what you have to do. You see this top here, you will see exchange, and right beside it you will see wallet. What you want to use here is the wallet, so click on the wallet, and welcome to Web3 interface will display, and here you will see this is because I have already created a wallet here on my OKX Wallet. But if you are just downloading this, it will prompt you to create a new wallet, and these are the list of wallets that I have imported here because I do use this sometimes. And if you want to add a new wallet, what you have to do is to click on this add wallet, and here you have to create a new seed phrase wallet. So this is what you have to do. And if you have a wallet that you want to import here, you just have to click on import, and I'm very sure by now you should know how you can import wallet to any EVM wallet application. It's quite simple. You just have to get your seed phrase and then import it here, and you are good to go. So yeah, but if you want to create a new wallet, just click on create wallet, set your security passcode. I use fingerprint, and this will be creating a new wallet for you in no time. And to get your backup, you can just back up manually, or you just do whatever you have to do to secure your seed phrase, because that is your username and password. So basically this is how you create a wallet on OKX application. And if you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section below. And if you want me to make a video on how to connect OKX to any airdrop, so comment it in the comment section of this video below. I will be checking it out. Do well to like this video, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.